Now we can start business. Welcome to my happy shop. Welcome to my happy shop.
I like
Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Time is up. Just right. Select a wonderful box. Decorate it with let's decorate it with flowers.
It looks very nice.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Bye-bye.
What should I wear today? It's great! How do I love it! I love it! How do I look? How do I look? I love it! It's great! How do I look? It's great! How do I look? I love it! I love it! It's great! How do I look? I love it! I love it! How do I look? It's great! I love it! It's great! Let's clean it up now. Please give me a hand.